Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 14th, 2025, and we're diving into JD.com's second quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. JD.com, a leading supply chain-based technology and service provider, has just released its Q2 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. JD.com reported net revenues of $49.8 billion for the second quarter, marking a 22.4% increase from the same period last year. John, what are your thoughts on this growth?
It's impressive, especially considering the competitive landscape. The growth is driven by both product and service revenues, with product revenues up by 20.7% and service revenues by 29.1%. This indicates strong demand across JD.com's offerings.
And how about profitability?
Net income attributable to shareholders was $0.9 billion, with an adjusted EPS of 69 cents, beating the forecast of 44. This shows JD.com's ability to manage costs effectively while expanding its revenue base.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. JD Retail, a core segment, reported revenues of $43.3 billion with an operating margin of 4.5%. How significant is this for JD.com?
Very significant. JD Retail's revenue grew by 20.6% year-on-year, and the operating margin reached a historic high for promotion quarters. This reflects JD.com's operational efficiencies and strategic focus on enhancing user experience and cost management.
What about their new business initiatives?
JD Food Delivery is a standout, with daily order volumes exceeding 25 million during the JD 618 Grand Promotion. The CEO, Sandy Xu, expressed confidence in the core retail business and highlighted ongoing investments in new growth areas, aligning with their long-term strategic roadmap.
Financial health and share repurchase program. Let's talk about JD.com's financial health. They reported cash and cash equivalents of $31.2 billion. How does this position them?
JD.com is in a strong financial position with a robust cash reserve, which supports their strategic investments and operational needs. They also generated a free cash flow of $3 billion this quarter.
And what about their share repurchase program?
They repurchased $1.5 billion worth of shares, with $3.5 billion remaining under the program. This indicates management's confidence in the company's future prospects and is a positive signal to investors.
Strategic initiatives and market expansion. JD.com has been expanding its market presence. Can you elaborate on their strategic initiatives?
JD Logistics is a key focus, with over 130 overseas warehouses now operational, covering 23 countries. This expansion enhances their global supply chain capabilities. Additionally, JD Mall has opened 24 new stores, offering a digitalized shopping experience.
And how is JD Health contributing to their growth?
JD Health is strengthening its position as a leading online marketplace for new and specialty medicine launches in China. This diversification into healthcare is a strategic move to tap into new revenue streams.
Key takeaways. In summary, JD.com has delivered a strong performance in Q2 2025 with significant revenue growth and strategic expansions. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
JD.com is well positioned for future growth with a strong core retail business, strategic investments in new areas, and a robust financial position. Their global expansion efforts and share repurchase program further enhance their attractiveness as an investment.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on JD.com's performance in the comments below.